morning, everyone. Excuse me. Wednesday, October 28th. I hope everybody got their station lab completed. You had 2 days to figure that out and work and learn all that new stuff about our Earth's interior. Who would have thought there was so much going on under that? Now, we learned yesterday that there is a crust, mantle, inner and outer core um, underneath our feet. So we also learned that the crust is the littlest one, the mantle is the largest one, and then the inner and outer core. Today, we're going to compare size-wise on how those all add up. And just a little announcement, on Monday, which would be what? November 2nd? Yes, November 2nd, we will have an Earth layer quiz. So something that you can prepare for. We will put Kahoots on, so you will have and Quizlets for those to help out. Now, today we are going to be comparing the layers. You need to come down here and get the layers of the Earth comparison sheet, and you're going to turn it in under that same name. And it looks like this document right here. So we kind of look at it and we read out along the top, and it says use the data table for the average thickness to find the percent thickness of each layer. I want to know the crust. I want to know what percentage of that of the Earth's layers is crust and what percentage is outer core, inner core, and mantle. So how do I do this sheet? The first thing I do is I have to know how to do a ratio. A part over a whole, the percent over 100. I'm going to, here's the crust is 30 kilometers thick. The mantle is 2,891 kilometers thick. The outer core 2,259 kilometers thick. And the inner core is 1,221 kilometers thick. I am going to need to add those up, and that is going to be our whole right here. So that's going to go here, 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 and here. Now, the crust is only 30 kilometers deep, so I'm going to put that is my part, and here is the word crust. I'm going to put 30 kilometers. So that's going to go right there. And right here is the whole. That's going to be my total. Here is the percent, and here is 100. I'm going to cross multiply and then divide. So I will multiply 30 times 100 and divide it by basically this total. So I hope that is helpful in finding the ratio and how those work. So a very light day today. You're just going to turn this in under assignments, under Earth's comparison worksheet, and you'll be ready to go. Now, I will add some links on here to help you get ready for Quizlet, some quizzes, which is just like a Quizlet site, and some Kahoots to work on to get ready for Monday's quiz. You can always look back at the Google Doc that you did on Monday and Tuesday. That is a really great resource. Have a wonderful day.